Okay, so this is Wade in the Water. I'm going to go through it kind of quick, explaining it, and then play it all together. So you may want to go over certain sections of the video that you're unsure about as you go through. The nice thing is you're just going to be right here on that 6th string, and then you play all the rest of the strings. And you're going to think 6, 6 strum. So you play the 6th string, strum, 6, 6 strum. You're going to do that 3 times. You're gonna choke. God's gonna trouble the water. And then you go like this. Then we got the water trebling. So we do the 6, 6 strum 3 times. And we choke. God's gonna trouble the water. And I notice we got a lot of this. We're just doing this string. Now, we're gonna need to learn on this string, 1st fret, 2nd string. Okay, we're going on the 1st fret. Remember, these are the frets going across here. We count the frets and the strings. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So 1st fret, 2nd string. Notice I'm making a hook with my finger. I'm hooking it over on that 2nd fret on the 1st string. If I don't hook it over, I'm going to end up pressing down that 1st string. So you may want to just play the 2nd string and then play the 1st fret. 2nd string and then 1st fret. And then add the other strings around. If you start to hear this, you're accidentally touching other strings. So that nice clear sound. Okay, and then you're going to play for the 5th string. Notice I've got my finger here. Play the 5th string. And then you're going to go 5, 5 strum with this finger still down. And you only do that once. Then you lift this off, and then we go back to the 6, 6 strum thing we did. So we got this on our 1st fret, 2nd string. Make sure you got it there. Like I said, make sure you got the nice curve. Notice my thumb is behind, so we can't see it. So here's 5, 5 strum, 5, 5 strum. Then we lift it off, 6, 6. Then we do that again. And then one more time. Then we choke. God's gonna trouble the water. Hey, now, so we almost learned the whole song. We are almost there. Let's do that one more time. Actually, if you need to go over it again, do that from the 5, 5 strum. Kind of go back to that section. Now we're going to go on. We start with 6, 6 strum. We do that 2 times, and then we're ready to put our finger down. Okay, so get your finger right up here. So we do the 6, 6 strum. 6, 6. We do that again. Then we put our finger down. Then we go 5, 5. Then we lift the finger up. Remember, 3 times. One more time. Then we choke. God's gonna trouble the water. Okay? Now, if you're not sure about that, you probably need to go over that a couple more times, like going from the 6, 6 strum to the 5, 5 strum. I'm going to put it all together. Feel free to kind of go back, and then I'll add the melody on top. So here we go. 2, ready, and... Finger down, we'll lift it up, and then one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Then we put our finger down, then we lift it up. 2nd time, then 3rd time, and we choke it.